The industrial sector is one of the largest sectors in the economy, comprising various subsectors such as manufacturing, construction, and utilities. It accounts for approximately 10% of the total market and contributes significantly to the US GDP, with a share of around 22.5% as of 2022. Over the past year, the sector has shown robust growth, expanding by 5.8% to reach $6.7 trillion or $21,000 per capita. In 2022, over 23 million people were employed in industrial jobs, representing 14.5% of the total employment in the US. The industrial sector is crucial for the economy due to its direct impact on production and infrastructure, making it a preferred choice for investors looking for steady growth and stability. The industrial sector has witnessed considerable growth and transformation, with a focus on automation, sustainability, and digitalization. Investments in advanced technologies and energy-efficient processes have led to increased productivity and efficiency across the sector. The growth in industrial output has been supported by strong domestic consumption and export demand, particularly in areas like machinery, automotive, and electronics. Additionally, the sector has seen a surge in renewable energy projects, reflecting the global shift towards sustainable energy sources. The average price growth in the industrial sector has remained moderate, indicating balanced market dynamics between supply and demand. The success of the industrial sector is reflected thoroughly in its growth over the past few years. Just between 2022 and 2024, the sector grew from $30 billion to $33.23 billion, with a CAGR of 5.7%. This growth is due to several reasons. Over the past few years, there has been a rapid increase in demand for process-related services, driven by firms' need to save expenses associated with running their operations. Another reason is that the industrial sector fills the gaps where other sectors lack. There is a shortage of technical skills that workers in the industrial sector can provide services for, such as engineering and consulting, operational improvement, and maintenance. Under the umbrella of the industrial sector, there are 4 industry groups, which each contain respective industries. The first industry group is materials and parts, under which are the industries of both raw and manufactured materials. The second industry group is capital items, within which are the industries of installations and equipment. The last 2 industry groups, supplies and business services, have the subsequent industries of maintenance, operating supplies, and advisory. Manufacturing involves the production of goods using raw materials, labor, and machinery. Maintenance focuses on the building and maintenance of infrastructure, including residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Utilities involve the provision of essential services such as water, electricity, and gas. Each of these industries plays a critical role in the functioning of the economy, contributing to economic growth through job creation and infrastructure development. The industrial sector is widely considered a stable and consistent source of portfolio growth by investors. The goods provided by the sector represent a crucial part of the economy and thus maintain constant demand. Investing in the industrial sector offers opportunities for steady returns due to the sector's fundamental importance to the economy. The sector's growth is influenced by macroeconomic factors such as interest rates, commodity prices, and consumer confidence. Investors interested in the industrial sector can choose from a wide range of stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds that track the performance of the sector. Companies like General Electric, Caterpillar, and Boeing are prominent players in the manufacturing industry, while firms like Bechtel and Fluor Corporation are key players in construction. Utility companies such as Duke Energy and Nextra Energy offer exposure to the utilities industry. A primary theme of investing within the industrial sector is that it is sensitive to economic changes, since it is so closely tied to the growth of the economy. The demand for industrial products and services is driven by large ticket capital investments, which typically improves with general economic conditions. Due to this sensitivity, many categorize the sector as cyclical, thus outperforms rising markets and underperforms during falling markets. Despite these risks, the industrial sector is widely considered a potential safe place to make investments. There are a range of companies within select industries that one can choose from to personalize their individual portfolio. There are several advantages and disadvantages to investing in the industrial sector that one must consider before deciding to purchase shares or invest in a fund. In terms of advantages, the industrial sector plays a pivotal role in the economy and is closely connected to the success of many other sectors. This can be very beneficial, as during positive economic periods, it is generally known that investments in the industrial sector perform well. Furthermore, the sector is very diverse and contains a range of companies, from aerospace manufacturing to raw materials processing. This diversity allows for the sector to remain afloat if one specific industry threatens recession. These advantages do come with associated fallbacks. The close relationship between the sector and economic performance means that investments in the sector will almost certainly underperform when the economy does. These risks are not as precarious as the risks with more volatile sectors, yet the industrial sector is influenced by geopolitical challenges, deteriorating business and consumer confidence. Investors should consider these factors when investing in the industrial sector or a company within the sector. When investing in a specific company, it is important to thoroughly understand the economic outlook, industry-specific trends, and company fundamentals. Additionally, staying informed about technological advancements and regulatory changes within the industrial sector can help identify investment opportunities. Diversifying investments across different subsectors and geographies can also mitigate risks associated with sector-specific volatility. The industrial sector is poised for potential growth, driven by technological innovations, infrastructure development, and the transition to green energy. The adoption of Industry 4.0 technologies, such as AI and IoT, is expected to enhance operational efficiency and productivity across the sector. Infrastructure projects, both domestically and globally, present significant investment opportunities, especially in areas related to transportation, telecommunications, and renewable energy. The sector's long-term prospects are bolstered by the need for modernization and the increasing demand for sustainable solutions, and it is expected to reach $51.98 billion by 2032. The industrial sector offers an avenue for investment, characterized by its resilience, steady potential growth, and strategic importance to the economy. By considering the broader economic context, industry-specific trends, and individual company fundamentals, investors can navigate the sector effectively and capitalize on its growth potential.